Hello friends, welcome to H2 Diamond Academy. In the last lecture we have started the discussion on the cyclic group. Okay, so what we have seen in the previous lecture is that if a group is generated by a single element, then we call that group as a cyclic group. Okay, so what we have seen, the basic structure for the cyclic group is, so G is equal to a to the power n such that n belongs to positive integer. Okay, so this group is generated by a single element. Suppose A is generating that group, then we represent this as A is generator of G. Okay, if B is generating that group G, then we have, this is the structure. Okay, so here A is the generator and here B is the generator. Okay, so this we have seen in the previous lecture. Okay, also we have seen that ZP forms group under addition modulo P. Okay, so we have two cases. If P is prime and P is not prime. Okay, how we can find the generator? If P is prime, then we have P minus 1 generators. Okay, so the generators of ZP will be 1 is equal to 2 is equal to 3 is equal to P minus 1 generator. Okay, P minus 1 generators are there if P is prime. Okay, example Z5. 5 is prime, so we have the elements in Z5 will be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so everything except 0 will be the generator. So we have 1, 2 is also generator, 3 is also generator, 4 is also generator. So everything except 0 is generator. So 1, 2, 3, 4 are the generator. Now in case P is not prime, let us suppose P is equal to 8. So 8 is not prime. Okay, so if A is the generator, then we have GCD of A comma P is equal to 1. Okay, so GCD, let us take P is equal to 8. So we have GCD of A comma 8 is equal to 1. Okay, so we have the value of A as 1, 3, 5, 6 is not there. So we have 7. Okay, so 1, 3, 5, 7 are the generators in case if P is not prime. Okay, clear? So now let us move further. Okay, so now let us discuss about the groups of unity. Okay, so UN contains all those elements of Zn which are relatively co-prime with n. Okay, so UN में Zn के ऐसे एलिमेंट आएंगे जिसका GCD n के साथ 1 होगा. Okay, so all those elements that are relatively co-prime with n are there in UN. Okay, so let us write down the elements of Zn. So we have Zn as Zn is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 0 to n minus 1. Okay, so what type of elements will come under UN? That is groups of unity. So all those elements of Zn, that is x belongs to Zn, such that GCD of x and n is equal to 1. Okay, so let n is equal to 10. Okay, so Z10 will be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, 0 to 10 minus 1, that is 9. So these are the elements. So those elements of Z10, so U10 contains those elements of Z10 that are relatively co-prime with 10. So U10 contains those elements, those x belongs to Z10 such that GCD of x comma 10 is equal to 1. Okay, let us take GCD of all these numbers with 10. Okay, so if it is coming 1, then that number will lie in U10. Okay, so we have the x as 1. So GCD of 1 and 10 will be 1. Okay, if 2 is there, so GCD will not be 1 because 2 will divide 10 by 5. Okay, so we have 1, 3, we have then 7, then 9. So we have 1, 3, 7 and 9. Okay, so U10 will be 1, 3, 7 and 9. Okay, so UN contains those x belongs to Zn such that GCD of x and n is equal to 1. Okay, an important point here is to note is that UN forms group under multiplication modulo n. Okay, so UN जो group form करता है ना, UN forms groups under multiplication modulo n. This is a group. And one point also we have to note is that this group of unity may or may not be cycle. मतलब cyclic हो भी सकता है और नहीं भी हो सकता है. May or may not be cyclic. Like U8 is not cyclic. Okay, so this UN under multiplication modulo n can be cyclic or it cannot be cyclic. Okay, now let us move further. Now let us find the generators of U10. Okay, so we have U10. U10 contains those x belongs to Z10 such that GCD of x comma 10 is equal to 1. Okay, so we have Z10 as Z10 is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so U10 will be contains those elements that are having GCD with 10 as 1. So this will be 1, 3, 7 and 9. So this will contain U10 1, 3, 7 and 9. Okay, so U10, these are the U10 1, 3, 5 and U10 contains 1, 3, 7 and 9. Okay, now let us find the generator. Okay, so U10 forms groups under multiplication modulo n, multiplication modulo 10. Okay, so now let us take elements one by one and try to generate U10. Okay, so let us generate U10 with 1. Okay, so 1 mod 10 is equal to 1. Okay, now let us take 1 cross 1 mod 10. So this is equal to 1. Okay, so 1 is generating only single element, that is 1. Okay, so 1 will not be the generator. Now let us generate U10 with 3. 3. So 3 to the power 1. We have operated 3 one time under multiplication modulo 10. So this is equal to 3 mod 10. This is equal to 3. Now let us operate 3 two times under multiplication modulo 10. So this is 3 cross 3 under 10, multiplication modulo 10. So this is 9. Now we have 3 to the power cube. Okay, 3 times. So 3 cross 10 cross 3 square. This is equal to, and 3 square is 9. So this is 3 cross 10, 9. This is 27 mod 10. This is 7. Okay, so 3 is generated, 9 is generated and 7 is generated. Now we have 3 to the power 4. So this is 3 cross 10, 3 to the power cube, and 3 to the power cube is 7. So this is equal to 3 cross 10 and this is 7. This is 21 mod 10. This is 1. So 1, 3, 7 and 9, all the elements are generated. This means 1 is the generator. So let us write down here. So 1 is the generator. Now let us take next element. We have taken 3. Now let us generate this with 7. Let us generate U10 with 7. Okay, so let us operate 7 one time. This is 7 to the power 1. This is 7 mod 10. This is 7. Now let us operate this 2 times. 7 square. This is 7 cross 7 mod 10. This is equal to 49 mod 10. So this is 9. Now we have 7 to the power cube. 7 cross 10 and 7 square. And 7 square is 9. So this is 7 cross 10. This is 9. 63 mod 10. So this is 3. So 3 is generated, 7 is generated, 9 is generated. Let us operate this one more time. This is 7 to the power 4. This is 7 cross 10, 7 to the power 3. So this is 7 cross 10 and 7 to the power 3 is 3. This is 21 mod 10. 21 mod 10. So the remainder will be 1. Okay, so 1 is generated, 3 is generated, 7 is generated, 9 is generated. So all the elements are generated with this 7. So 7 is also the generator. Okay, so now let us generate U10 with 9. 9. Okay, so let us operate 9 one time. So this is 9 to the power 1. So this is 9 mod 10. So remainder is 9. Okay, now let us operate this 2 times. 9 is square. So this is 9 cross 10 and this is 9. This is 81 mod 10. This is 81 mod 10. So the remainder is 1. Okay. Now we have 9 to the power cube. So this is 9 cross 10. 9 to the power square. So this is 9 cross 10. This is 1. So this is 9 mod 10. So the remainder is 9. Okay. Now let us operate this with 9 4. 9 to the power 4. That is 4 times. So 9 cross 10. This is 9 to the power cube. This is 9 cross 10. This is 9. 81 mod 10. 81 mod 10. This is 1. Okay. So the elements are getting repeated. Okay. So 9 is generating only 2 elements. That is 9 and 1. Okay. 9 is generating only 2 elements. That is 9 and 1. Okay. So this means that the element that are generated with 9 are, this is 1 and 9. Okay. So this 1 and 9 is subgroup of U10, is subgroup of U10. Okay. So 9 is generating a cyclic subgroup and not the complete group. Okay. Is generating a cyclic subgroup and not the complete group. Complete group U10. U10 को generate नहीं कर रहा है, rather it is generating a cyclic subgroup. Okay, so the generator are 1 and 7. Okay, generator of U10 are 1 and 7. Okay, so now let us move further. So we have UN may or may not be cyclic. Okay, so the example is U8. U8 is not a cyclic. Okay, for any A belongs to U8. Similarly, U15, U12, U27 are not cyclic group because they do not have any generator. So let us check this with U8. Okay. Let us write down the elements of U8. So before that we have to write Z8. So Z8 is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. So U8 contains all those elements belongs to Z8 such that GCD of x comma 8 is equal to 1. Okay. So let us write down the elements of U8. Elements of U8 are, so this is 1, 3, 5 and 7. So the elements are 1, 3, 5 and 7. So these elements 1, 3, 5 and 7 are relatively co-prime with 8. When we take the GCD of these elements with 8, we will get 1. Okay. So now let us generate one by one. Let us take the elements one by one and try to generate U8. Okay. So let us generate U8 with 1. Okay. Let us operate 1 times. This is 1 mod 8. This is 1. Let us operate this 2 times. This is 1 mod 8. Okay. So 1 is generating only single element. So 1 will not be the generator. Now let us generate U8 with 3. We are taking the elements one by one. So first we have taken 1. So 1 is generating only single element. So this will not generate U8. Now let us try to generate U8 with 3. So 3 to the power 1. That is, we have operated 3 one time. So this is 3 mod 8. So this is remainder is 3. Now let us operate this 2 times. So this is 3 cross 3 8. So this is 9 mod 8. So the remainder is 1. Now let us operate this 3 times. So this is 3 cross 8, 3 square. So this is 3 cross 8. This is 3 square is 1. So this is 3. Now 3 to the power 4. So this is 3 cross under multiplication modulo 8. So this is 3 to the power cube. So this is 3 cross 8 and this is 3. This is 9 mod 8. That is 1. So the elements are getting repeated. Okay. So U8 it will not be getting generated with 3. Okay. So 3 is only generating 2 elements, that is 1 and 3. Okay, now let us 3 is also not the generator. Now let us because it is generating only 1 3. Okay, that is subgroup of U8, not the complete group. Okay, now let us generate U8 with 5. Let us operate 5 one time. This is 5 to the power 1. This is 5 mod 8. This is 5. 5 square. This is 5 cross 10 under addition modulo multiplication modulo 8. This is 5 cross 5. This is 25 mod 8. This is 1. Now we have 5 to the power cube. This is 5 cross 8. This is 5 square. This is 5 cross 8 and this is 1. This is 5 mod 8. This is 5. This is 5 to the power 4. Let us operate this 4 times. This is 5 cross 8. This is 5 cube. This is 5 cross 8. This is 5. This is 25 mod 8. So this is 1. Okay. So now again the elements are getting repeated. 5, 1, 5 and 1. Okay. So 5 is generating only 2 elements, that is 1 and 5. This is also a subgroup of U8. Okay. So 5 is also not generating the complete group U8. Now let us try this with 7. So 7 to the power 1, we have operated 7 one time. So this is 7 mod 8. This is 7. 7 square. We have operated 7 two times. This is 7 cross 7 modulus 8. This is 49 mod 8. Okay. 48. 8 6 of 48. So remainder will be 1. Now we have 7 to the power cube. We have operated 7 three times. This is 7 cross 8, 7 square. This is 7 cross 8. This is 1. This is 7. So elements are again getting repeated. Okay. Now let us write down 7 to the power 4. This is 7 cross 8, 7 cube. This is 7 cross 8 and this is 7. This is 49 mod 8. This is 1. The elements are again getting repeated. So 7 is generating only 2 elements, that is 1 and 7. 1 and 7 is also subgroup of U8 and not the complete group. So 7 is also not generating. So there is not a single element that is generating U8. This means U8 is not a cyclic group. U8 is not a cyclic group because there does not exist any element that is generating the whole group. Okay. Okay, so we have similarly U15, U12, U27 are not cyclic group because they do not have any generator. Okay, so this is all about the cyclic group. Okay, thank you.